Oh, this is how we check for mass communication. The beautiful box here open. Wow, it's beautiful. Let me take this off from here. Box one side. You see 6.9-inch beautiful display. It's still valid, this one. If I'm not wrong, it has 515 ppi pixel density. You see gorgeous looking backside is look as a glass. At the backside is color gray. It has 4 dedicated cameras. One camera is 108 megapixel, the biggest camera, that is the space zoom camera. After that you have 48 megapixel camera, then 12, and another 0.3 megapixel. At the front side, we have a selfie camera that is 40 megapixel with very high quality video recording. In this case, the body is a beautiful one. Let me go little bit detail if you are interested to buying this phone. Here you have volume rocker button up and down. You have power button in this case. Nothing else. We have one antenna line bottom of the phone. Then you have a speaker hole. You have 2 antenna line, and you have hole for microphone. Other side of the phone you don't have anything, plain body, only one antenna line. Look at the body, stainless is still shiny, glossy. Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna hit the power button. We'll start the phone. Here we go. You can see a beautiful looking display, 6.9 inches with 89.9% skin to body ratio, resolution 1040 into 3200 pixel, that is 510 ppi. That is more than Samsung Galaxy S20 2 Ultra or Note. Touch sensitive of this phone, very touch sensitive, very high quality. It has 12 GB of RAM, so that works very good, very charming, very fast. Let me open one YouTube video. Wow, lovely display. Now we'll check sound quality. I have this one, very fast. Put YouTube music in this case. YouTube music. Awesome sound in this case, my god. You see how fast the phone is, how fast responsive it is. So it's still in 2022. If you're planning to buy this phone, it still is a good phone to buy. So this is a short review of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra after 2 years. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.